Good morning everyone, my name is Lo Hong. Today, I would like to discuss more about the product of the detergent and its problems. First and foremost, the detergent is a product that acts as cleaning agents which clean the dirts to make them soluble and differs from soap in not forming a scum with a salt in hot water. It also helps to remove and grease from the porous surface. So why we are using the detergent as our investigation product? Because the detergent is our daily life using product, and there are many consumers who would like to purchase a better detergent for their hygiene care. However, there are some requested demand and the problem founded of the detergent through the customer discovery.
Hi, my name is Nusafika Najwa. I will talk about the phase 1, that is understanding the customer. Firstly, we must know our customer. Our customer is the intelligent customer. So we must have the intelligent customer account like Facebook, Instagram. Furthermore, by keep the customer engaged during the first stage of customer journey, there is will be building the customer relationship in two-way street between the producer and the seller with the customer. The second approach of understanding the customer, we must know to understand the customer preference is need to fill out about the information whether they are go through the statistics and feedback to see which social media outlet, industry blog and professional forum that will look like at the site of traffic come from. Additional, the key data is very helpful to discover the term of description that certain buyer persona use to describe about the product. Besides that, the segment customer based on the keyword search. For example, can also use the Google keywords and the Google Webmaster Tools. The other technique to be reach and understand the customer is by anticipate, predict, and plan for the future. A seller must creating a plan of the future. Customer engagement is just as important as creating a plan for the present. This put the customer experience teams in the right frame of the mind of response to customer during the successful and the challenging situation. Hence, predictively modeling software can be examined about the examination customer data to identify the cycle path and the trend of that can be informed in the decision making. Last but not least, by the understanding the customer, parallel the customer path. Mostly, the way is to understand the unique and dynamic customer buying journey is by putting yourself as a seller in the customer's shoes. This is made possible by an advanced technique called Customer Journey Mind Mapping, a method where is the company create a details about the graphical presentation for the customer journey based on the critical path point. Detergent have built the washing solution which is contain of calcium and magnesium. Company offer the detergent advantage of the product. The hypothesis of the laundry detergent is laundry detergent that contain of enzymes will remove the stain more effectively than those detergent do not have. The second one is laundry detergent only remove the stain that are on very fast wash. The third is laundry detergent clean more effectively in hot water than soap. The detergent can be used on washing woolen where the soap cannot be used. This is the design of the business model canvas. The key partners is the hygiene industry as a supplier, the market research as the technology provider, the corporate partners such as supermarket, and NGO and private sector of hospitality. The key activities on market research, productivity, market idea, development of the detergent solution, focus group interview, and the problem solving based on the customer needs. The third one is the value proposition. It's for maximizing the resources. The second one is resourcing the cheaper product development. The third one is saving money product. And high quality of detergent that can remove the stains. The customer relation is able to family to save money, creating a job for the employee, and then consult and conduct the interview with the focus group about the detergent. The channel that we use is local store entrepreneur, private and NGO company, and local website. For the customer segmentation, we choose the mothers that are household, the laundry user that is NGO hospitality, private sector of hospitality, and business create.
Hi, I'm Wilun. So now I will explain about the phase 2, which is the testing the problems. So what is the testing the problems? Testing the problems means that the process to figure out what is the problem faced by the public. So for example, we are the company who produce the detergent. So how we get the problems issue is like we first of all we target the customer segment first. So who are the customer segment for our company? So we are set the household as our customer targeted. So we need to interview them to figure out what is the real problems faced by them. So after we found a few of interviewers, we get to know that the real issue faced by them is like the hygiene problem. So we decide to create one product which solve their problems and like how to say to produce the best solutions about the hygiene for them is like our products, which is detergents.
Good morning, sir. My name is Chan Wenjie, and I come from RP52 21B. For now, I want to present the pastry. This is the samba. Okay. For the samba, we have used two kinds of research method to search the result. There is the interview and the prototype. We have used the interview to one by one to find the respondent and let them try our prototype. Our prototype is 4 types of samba. Then after they try, they will give the feedback of them to us. All of our questions have in a list, and we ask them from the list to get the result from them. And 10 of the respondents come from a different occupation. You can see from this table, there's a sales assistant, student, mini market boss, bicycle seller, banker, cashier, lecturer, cleaner, official, one who guard. All of them have a different opinion to the samba, and it's very important to us. So lastly, we also will let them to rank our samba which is most favorable of them to the samba. So we can see from this chart to know which samba is most they like. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you.
So I am Nurul Saira Sabiin. I will proceed on customer discovery process at phase 4, that is verify the problem or pivot. At this phase, as a producer, we will concern whether they are agree or not on our product that can solve of their problems. As we can refer to the previous phase, that is based on my company that already state the hypothesis by identify the problems that they are facing. Thus, based on the problem that already identified, we will test the problem. Then after that, we will test the solution to the customer. And after get all the information, we have decided to proceed and move forward for our product because it has high value proposition to the customer and users. In fact, this product can provide the solution for the customer and will have good incremental growth in the future. That's all.
This is our conclusions for our part. In the conclusions, we are using the early customer to find out all the data through the phase 1, phase 2, and phase 3. The phase 1 is the hypothesis, and the phase 2 are the problem testing, and the phase 3 are test the solutions. The test and the solutions consist of 2 methods, which is the questionnaire, result, and the tool and prototype. For the crossing the chasm, we only gather the data in order to crossing the chasm when only the customer that we want are satisfied and become the loyalty customer. That's all. Thank you.